Start. Join your fingers. Join your fingers. Now move one pair. एक एक पेयर को मूव करना है फिंगर्स का. एक एक पेयर. पहले थंब, फिर इंडेक्स फिंगर, index finger, move your index finger, focus to move your index finger. Now middle finger, move your middle finger. Now move your ring finger, ring finger, ring finger. Try to move your ring finger. Move your ring finger. Concentrate. Move your little finger. Only little finger. Move your little finger. Little finger. Move your little finger. Only little finger. This is little finger. Move this. Move this finger. Last one, little finger. Only little finger. This little finger.